Dear students, today my class is making letterhead in Word. Word 2007 or Word 2013 or Word 2017, 2019, whatever it. Making letterhead in Word, MS Word. Before going to this class, please subscribe my channel King Classroom. My URL of the channel is www.youtube.com/@king_classroom. Please watch all videos, like the videos, learn the subject, subscribe to with your friends and share to your friends. Thank you. Now coming to the letterhead. First take one new file, create here, then new document appears in the header and footer section. First insert picture, logo or something, company logo or something, insert. King Classroom logo is there. I am inserting this and reduce the size, and this one also reduce, not like this. This extension and this side is also reduce. Now align center, align center, then put a word, insert, go insert word art, take this one, max and computer online classes, insert that, right, and change this shape, color, do this and fill the color with blue color, shape with red, then fill the color with green, anything, green is okay. Then click on the document page, it will appear like this. Okay, then document in the middle, we have to insert the logo. First header section is over. Footer section letterhead, what we will type, address, address, address colon 1-225 by 1 Vigneswara Street, Paikotturu. This is my address, Paikotturu, near Ramalayam temple, Ramalayam temple, and Rameshwaram, Rameswaram, Rameshwaram, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, ANDHRA, Andhra PRADES, Andhra Pradesh, India, India, and 533006. This is the address, and phone number 878787. This is the phone. Now we have to bold this address part. Bold. This one is live. Okay. Now double click on the document side. It will look like this. Go to print preview. Then look like this. And double click here. Address. Font will be changed to green color. in color and bold, and phone number should be changed to red color. That will appear like this. On print preview, go to print preview. The document should like this, and middle of the document, middle of the document we have to add logo. On go to page layout, here watermark is there, watermark, then custom watermark is there, custom watermark, then select the picture and picture watermark, select the picture, this is the logo, and insert it and apply it. This is the logo background. Again I am telling, go to page layout ribbon, watermark, go to watermark, custom watermark, click on custom watermark. No watermark means apply no watermark. Again I am applying custom watermark, that is picture watermark, select picture and this one and this one, apply it. This is the look. Then go to print preview, it will look like this. This is the letterhead document letterhead. Thank you. Prepare your with your own logos. Prepare your letters to companies or offices. Okay. Please watch the video, learn the subject, and like the video and share the video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.